need the spinners.
Hey everyone, this is Dr. Jen with Coaching Flores and coachingflores.com. Today I thought we would share a baking activity and do some aided input. We have a large core board here, and I would recommend that if you're at home and you want to make brownies or a baking item with your kiddos, that you grab out their communication device and try to model similarly to what I'm doing here today. So I'm not able to monitor comments while we're cooking, so feel free to drop a comment and I will review all of those at the end. I love getting questions and comments and being able to respond to those, so please go ahead and comment if needed. All right, Bear, do you know?
What?
Do you know what I've been thinking? Do you know I've been thinking about making brownies? Does that sound yummy? That sounds good.
Really heavy.
It is heavy. Do you like brownies? Who likes brownies? Who? Yeah, Grandma likes brownies. Who else? Mommy likes brownies. Okay. Does Tella like brownies? I did not know that. All right. Well, are we ready to get started?
Yep.
Let's get started. Do you know what we need to make brownies?
This.
Oh, we need a mixer. What else do we need?
Water.
Yes, I've got water. What else do we need?
This just keeps falling on me.
Okay, what can you do? What can you do to make that not fall? Oh, you can set it like that. I like that. Okay, should we look at the ingredients to help us with what we need?
Yes.
Okay, look at those ingredients up top and see what we need.
We need water and leche.
Oh,
we need 2 waters.
It does look like water, doesn't it? It says water, and this one says oil. So I've got our oil right here. I've not been able to find vegetable oil at the stores in a long time, so we got the Sam Club size.
And we need to do this.
Oh, do you see a pan? Yep, we need a pan.
And then we need to stir it.
So we need a mixer.
Yeah. And then put it on the oven.
Yes, and I already turned on the oven. Okay? Oh, did you forget what's right here?
No.
What are those?
I don't.
Those are eggs.
Eggs.
Yeah. How many eggs do we need? It's Tian's. How many eggs?
2 eggs.
2 eggs. All right, I've got 1, 2.
And there's strawberries in it. See?
They added fruit. Does that look yummy?
Should we put fruit in ours?
I think we're all out of fruit. You guys ate our last banana yesterday. Okay. Who is going to crack these eggs into the bowl?
Me? Because I don't like it.
Okay, so it's going to be my job.
Because it's the duck job.
Okay. Job? All right, watch. See if I get any shells in there.
No. Yes, you do. Those are just drops.
Keep the mixer out of there, lady. All right. Not any shells. Let's try again. Ready?
Yeah. 1.
Aki's not in your mouth. Ak. Ooh, she's a hard one to crack.
I see one. Okay.
Oh, that looks like a shell. That's actually part of the egg. It is not. Not the shell.
It's probably from the sticky part.
It could be. I'm needing a napkin. Let's see here. I needed a napkin. All right.
There should be some fruit in here.
That would be yummy, wouldn't it?
Or powder.
Ak.
Or powder.
Yes. So what should we do next? What do you think?
Powder.
Powder? Okay. Can you open?
Yes. Watch, I'm strong.
As you're thinking about modeling at home, you can model any word from any length from 1 word
Okay.
per sentence or 3 or 4 words. It's really up to your comfort level. And honestly, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Wow, there it is. You got that open. That was big.
I need this kind.
Oh, do you want scissors?
Yeah, I need this.
Let's see if we can scooch this table.
You're strong. I'm strong.
Oh, thanks for your help. Here are your scissors.
Elbow. Elbow.
Yeah, he's going to cut. He's trying to cut.
It's not cutting.
Uh-oh.
I guess it's. Oh.
Make a giant mess.
It's a dot job.
Do you need
Help.
Okay, I'll help you. My turn to try.
This is my hand. That's your hand.
Oh, that's both of our hands. We're trying. I will try. Hi, Daddy. There we go. All right. I'm going to give it to you, and you can dump it.
All of it.
All of it. Put it more in.
So Daddy and me can all eat it.
Ooh, let's get that. Sister, are you ready? You want to mix?
I want to mix.
Well, we can't forget to do the water and the oil. Okay? Who wants to do the water?
Me.
Who wants to do the oil?
Me.
Okay, I'm going to tell you this. Oil is messier. So can I have you do the oil and sister do the water? You can handle this.
I'm strong.
You are strong. So if I look...
No!
Not yet, sister. We are not ready. Not ready. On the side of our cup it says 1/3 is at this line. Okay, so we're going to fill it up to that line right there. This is heavy. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Yes, my.
Look at those strong muscles. All
I'm
right.
Hulk smash.
You are our Hulk smash. Okay, ready? Pour right to that line. Go nice and slow. Wait, Nina. You are all about mixing. Can I give you a spoon?
Mom,
Let me get a spoon for you.
Mom, can you pour it and then can you pour it and then I put it in?
That sounds like a good idea.
See, that's.
I'm just gonna tip it because it's so heavy. There. Okay, put the oil in.
Oh!
Sister, you're gonna do the water. Your job is the water, Nina. Good job. You put the oil in. Are you needing a napkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, here's a towel. All right, sister. You get to do the water. You ready? Lady, we need more stuff. Ready? Okay, careful. Dump. Good job.
Can I do the mixer?
You sure can. Do you think we'll need to take some turns with the mixer? I think sister's gonna want to try.
This is dangerous, sister.
It is dangerous. What do you need?
One more.
One more. Good job. Oh, sister, you're doing good. Okay. Little hands out, Nana. Just wait. Is that cool? Yeah. Stop.
Oh.
Let's use the spatula to get some of this off the sides, okay? Can you hold on to it? It will be your turn, sister. We're just... There we go.
Can I do it now?
Let's give it to sister for her turn. Whoop. Keep it in the bowl.
Mom, when sister goes, can I go next?
You want one more time? Ooh, she's going fast. Good job. Stop.
Stop. That's it.
Try one more time, Bear. Wait.
I can do it.
Oh, yeah. Nana. Wait. Please. Stop. Sister said please. Last time. No. Alright. Stop. Whoa! You're speedy. Okay, we washed our hands, didn't we?
I got one turn.
You were all done. You got 2 turns and sister got 2 turns. So since we washed our hands.
Sister got 3 turns. She got these many turns.
Did you count? No. Look at sister's already ready to lick her fingers. I will let you lick since you washed your hands.
No, I don't want to.
And I will pour into the pan. Alright. Oh. What do you want? I want to lick. Can you say that nice? I can wait. What? I want to lick. There you go. Okay, I am going to spray the pan. This is going to keep it from sticking. Alright. And now, what do you think we need to do?
Spatula.
Spatula. We're gonna put the brownies in the pan. Alright, let's pour it
And
in.
scrape it.
I will scrape it.
Napkin.
Okay, just a second. Yeah, I'm pouring it in, sister. You two have great brownie faces. Is it yummy? Yeah? You see sister's brownie face, Bear? Good job. We'll put that in here for the sink. There you go. Just a minute, sister. I'm going to scrape this in. And then we can put it in the oven. Okay? All right. Let's take a look at those brownie faces. Can you show them?
Mine is not brownie.
Yours is not brownie. All right, friends, thank you for joining us today. I hope that you found this helpful as you are at home with your kids doing activities. Please be sure to pull out their devices, their communication devices, and model as much as you can. And like I said earlier, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.